welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to automate repetitive computer tasks with AutoGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to automate repetitive tasks, you can use the tools like AutoGPT. Once you are in AutoGPT or like RPA or simpler solutions like macros, you need to first of all identify and define the task you want to automate. Now you need to ensure that they have clear inputs and outputs. After doing this, select the appropriate tool, such as AutoGPT for complex web-based tasks or RPA bots for structured rule-based tasks on computer. You can now implement the automation by configuring the tool and then test and refine it to ensure it produces the desired results. So this is how you can automate repetitive computer tasks using AutoGPT. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.